Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating variables and removing obvious barriers to sound. First, unplug and visually inspect the cable, jack, and connector. Hairline breaks or dust cause distortion. Once done, remove silicone or foam tips and clean both tips and mesh with a soft brush and 70–90% isopropyl wipe. Let them dry. Then plug into a second known good source to confirm whether the problem is the earphones or the player. This saves time and prevents unnecessary repairs. You now focus on the acoustic system and physical seals that shape sound. Gently press each driver through the tip to feel for smooth response. A stuck or rattling diaphragm explains muffled or buzzing audio. Once you identify driver health, swap ear tips to restore proper seal. Foam often improves bass. Silicone helps mid-range clarity, because fit directly affects frequency response. If you have soldering skills, open the housing to check for loose wires or cold joints. Repair only if comfortable and precise. You finish by optimizing electronics and verifying results. Use a simple 3-band EQ to tighten excessive bass, clear mid-range congestion, and add a small presence boost around 2 to 4 kHz, because electronic tuning corrects residual imbalance. Once done, listen with flat, familiar tracks at moderate volume and compare to your initial test to confirm improvement. If problems persist, connect a portable DAC/amp to rule out source output issues or pursue professional driver replacement. This is the key troubleshooting step when mechanical fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.